We're going to climb that mountain today, and there is something special. Let's go. Good morning from Spain, Costa Blanca. It's the third hike that we are doing in the inland of the Costa Blanca. Many people just stay at the coast, and of course it's warmer at the coast in the winter. It's like 19 degrees. Here it will be like 15, 16. What a wonderful weather to hike in the mountains. In the summer it's too hot. And we are in the small town of Ibi, and we're going to do a hike of 15 kilometers, and we're going to do about 5 hours to that hike. It's not flat. We want to show that Spain is not just sitting on the beach. There's beautiful hikes, beautiful mountains, beautiful mountain villages, beautiful ruins. So we want to show everybody this wonderful country, because I'm in love. Many years already I'm in love with Spain. So right or left?
I think right.
Right. There is a cross in these hikes that we have done this week. You have to follow yellow and white.
It smells like autumn.
Yes, it smells like autumn. Really lovely. So I hope it will be lovely. We have done amazing hikes. With the top was 6,000 steps. Have you not seen that video? Look it up. It's really is an amazing hike. But every hike here in nature is amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because you're helping my channel a lot, and it's free for you. So free for you, just pressing, and you're helping my channel, and we will be eternally thankful. Let's go. So we are here and we're doing a big circle. It's like a square, like you see here. It's a square. So if you look at me, I'm in winter modus. So in like 1 hour we will be in summer modus. It's every video of this week. We start really with winter clothes, and then the sun is heating us up. So small hour, and then we will see clothes flying around, but we will not be naked. I promise.
I hope.
This washing place was built in 1860. So as I said in previous video, but if you've not seen them, every Spanish town has this, the one more beautiful than the other, but these washing places, people gather from the town, and they have a bended wall, so you can rub your clothes and then water in the middle. Here there's no water in the middle, but then they can clean with the mountain water and then scrub it. In south of France, Italy, Spain, you see that everywhere. Maybe in Croatia I haven't seen it, so I cannot say anything about that. But here, Spain, Italy, South France, you have them. So in this one, there is water. There's a big one. So imagine all the women gathering here, doing their laundry, laughing a little bit, talking, gossiping maybe. Kids that are playing around, getting one around their ears because they are doing stuff they not should do, throwing rocks at something, and then, you know. But I guess back in the days there was more connection with the people. Now it's all mechanical with the washing machine, and it's better, it's easier for the women and the men. But back in the days it was surely only women, and now it's like 80% women. Sorry. It was more like an event to gather around and talk. So this is the water, clean water from the mountains that is going in that washing place. It's not even an hour, and there is already one layer going down. So this route is called the route of the windmills or the water mills. So the route of the mills. And this is one that you see. So there's water flowing down, and we will see, I guess, a few mills, water mills. This is really a beautiful one. Look at that. This is really cool.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's totally free for you, but it makes a huge difference for my channel.
The water is so clear. Look at that. Fresh mountain water. I'm crazy about these olive trees. I wanted to have that in my garden, but in Belgium the winters, although it's also freezing here. Now I realizing it was freezing this night, -1. So it's the same like in Belgium. So why are they surviving here and not in Belgium? You have to protect the tree in the winter. But they said, okay, now I remember they said it's not the winter, it's the wind. So yeah, maybe it's the ice wind in the winter. Okay, but in Belgium it's not winters like 20 years ago, but I love these olive trees. I really, really, really love them. It's already t-shirt weather. If the Spanish people are crossing us, they are looking at us like, what? They are walking here with the coat, a hat, scarf, you name it. They go skiing or something. But it can snow here because we saw, well, maybe in the 1800s the planet is warming up, but there were some places that we could see where they gathered snow and ice. Maybe later on this hike. Oh my god, what was that? Are they hunting? So the first half of this hike is all climbing. Jesus. Whew. So we are high. I think the highest point that we reached today is 1,100 meters, and you feel that. It was very warm, t-shirt weather in the canyon, but now it's getting colder. I guess it feels like 10, 11 degrees here. The air is cold, you know. It has some kind of percentage of moisture too, humidity, but it's really lovely place. This is a nature park, something of Rojas. Really beautiful. We are climbing the last piece and then it's descending to the end. I think the views will be amazing on the other side. I don't know what happened with these trees. Are they burned? And I strongly believe that's the case because it's all dark. Was there a fire here? I don't know, because it's really strange. Or is it the altitude that they are losing the leaves? But
I think
it's all the wood looks black, so I should say it has burned here. So this is the house that I explained. Did I explain? I think so. Where they stored ice and snow. It's really, really deep. And we are at the altitude of 1,100 meters. So yeah, it will melt not so easy than down. I have again my t-shirt on. It's not so warm, but if you climb, this is it's heavy. Really cool to see. So we are at the top here, 1250. Really high, really cool. Look. She want to be in the picture.
No, I wanted to get out, but I chose the wrong direction.
Really cool. Special. It's not easy.
No.
It's very slippery. Then I prefer the 6,000 steps. It was easier to descend. I don't really like this kind of underground to descend. But hey, Jesus Christ. Oh! Watch out.
Maybe you have to hold yourself a little.
Maybe mountain shoes, hiking shoes, with a big relief for a big stability and anti-slip would be better.
Watch out.
Goes better if I run. Oh, nope. Not.
Watch out, eh? That looks smooth. Yeah, you made it.
So we came down like that. Okay. So we are doing the last kilometers. It's really easy road, little descent, little ascent of this. What is it? Descent and ascent?
I don't know.
Ascent and descent, I think. So just smooth.
I have a question.
Yes.
If you would be a hacker, where would you be in winter?
Sleeping. I think all geckos sleep in the winter because it's too cold. She saw on the info sign that you could see geckos and snakes, and she wanted to see a gecko, and I said, I think in the winter they sleep. If you know that, put it in the comments. It was a tough hike. Is it different than other hikes that we did? It was tricky with the descent on the rocks. It was really special on top with the vegetation that was burnt. That was, I don't like it, but it was again special feeling like, okay, it has some kind of beauty in the destruction. So I hope you understand what I mean. So yeah, now it's one straight way to the car. Again with my lovely olive trees.
Thought your lovely wife.
Oh, okay. Oops.
Mr. Gardener.
Okay, we have a small appetizer that we got from the restaurant. And what is this?
Juice
Juice?
and candy.
Yeah, we always get some candy with the drinks. It's really, what is it? You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, let's try. I don't know what it is,
I don't know.
but it's good. It has some special taste, but it's good. So I have tagliatelle bolognese, and my wife has
Seafood.
pasta seafood. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
So we have tiramisu. Wow.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. And now your tea. Wow. Look at that. So beautiful.